So for today's installation, we have speaker spacers, foam rings, and two sets of JBL Stage2604c. These have tweeters, which is going to be great. It's going to add to more better sounds. And I'm currently at Araneta Car Accessories, which is owned by Jeff Tan. You can see his number there. Just give him a call if you need any audio related stuff. So at the get-go, when I came here, I was the first person in line, and these two guys were the ones who were assigned to my car. Based on how they worked, they pretty much were used to um, installing the audio, removing the door cards, making sure not to break any clips, and it's pretty good that they took care of everything here. So at this part, you'll see here, Kuya guy, the guy here, is marking up where he should be placing the deadening. So this is a CTK deadening. It does help with the sound, and it's a good upgrade if you're gonna be planning on upgrading your audio soon. So this is the door without the door card. It's pretty simple um, and pretty thin. So on this part, you'll see here, this is Mr. Jeff Tan himself, the owner of Araneta Car Accessories. He was very hands-on in prepping the speakers so that his workers would be able to just go ahead and install. So on this part, you'll see here, Kuya has installed the deadening, making sure that everything is stuck on, and he has been cutting out the places where the clips go. So the right side is done. So they're starting on the left side of the removal of the door cards and also prep for the uh, deadening. So on this side, it's just pretty much the same as what they did on the other side. Removing the door cards, taking off the old plastic covering, installing the deadening, making sure to cut out the places where the clips go, and then prepping for install. So in this part, we have Mr. Jeff Tan again, hands-on, installing the tweeters, um, and making sure that they don't fall off while they're on the car. So this is the front of the shop. Um, a lot of good accessories, not only limited to audio. So this is Jeff Tan's number. If you need him or need to call him for an inquiry, he is very accommodating. He'll give you the best speakers, amplifiers for your budget, and he also has head units as well. So that's the inside of the shop. The awards that he's also gotten, as I guess. So this is just a different angle of the installation. At this part, they were almost done, just finishing up installing the wires and connecting them all together before they install back the door card. So this is the finished product. You'll see there that everything is installed. Wiring has been cable tied, and here is the speakers installed.